Hey guys, Amlan from Make Knowledge here, and today's tutorial we go about fixing permanently the issue of notification alerts on your Samsung device. Now this can get pretty irritating, but I want to tell you about a permanent solution. Now I am running here like Android 10 on Galaxy A70 and I just want to show it to you. So this is the Android version. Now, if you are aware of this issue, you keep on getting notification alerts and you feel your life has become hell, you want to throw the phone away, you want to bang it on the wall. I mean, all type of crazy things because I've received comments like that. So how do you go about solving things? You need to head towards the settings and you start thinking that this thing would be located under notifications, right? That you can turn off notifications, alerts from here, the reminder settings or something, and this would go off. Actually, you are pretty wrong. In fact, the last time when we made this tutorial for an earlier version of Android, this was under accessibility and still is. So like you actually go down and you will see there is an accessibility thing, but they have hidden this thing still further. They have put it under advanced settings and you can see that the notification reminders has been turned on here for every 3 minutes. So time to go here and knock this baby off. And now the notification reminders have been turned off and you should not be getting notification reminders from any of the apps. What happens is anytime you select a auto Android update, some things may happen without your permission. And for all these apps that you see here, if we set a notification reminder of 3 minutes, can you imagine what happens? Anytime some activity happens in any of this app, you actually tend to get a notification. So like simply turn this off and half your work is done. But based on my earlier tutorial comments and remarks that I received, I actually understood there are 2-3 more issues in case this doesn't work. What you can also do is turn off your Bluetooth. It's quite possible that your Bluetooth may be turned on, and what happens is any other Bluetooth device that you see, like, I mean, maybe nearby you, maybe trying to establish a communication. And therefore, when you turn this off as well, this also does help. And not only this, what in case your NFC is there? So like I will just show this as well to you. So it stands for near field communication and it establishes a communication with any other compatible device over Wi-Fi. So this NFC, this may not be on all devices, but for the devices that this feature is there and if it's turned on by any chance, just turn it off because it's quite possible that you may have maybe another device. It may be a sports band or something else that also runs on NFC and like it may try establishing a contact, and quite unconsciously whenever you take your phone nearby that or maybe it stays with you, you keep on getting those irritating notifications. So these three things, turning off the NFC, turning off the Bluetooth, and also like going to your accessibility and like going towards advanced settings and then turning off notification reminders. All these three things in tandem should actually work. Some person also commented that going to the message application and then settings. So like I can kind of show you. So let's just see this. For someone, this actually was an issue. So they went to the message, then to the settings, and here under notifications, they turned it off. So I won't be wanting to do that because I would actually be wanting to get a message notification. But these are the things that you should be doing in 2020 if you have like an Android device. And I really think that this should work for you. Go ahead and give a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Please do subscribe. Click on the bell icon for notifications to our work. Let us know if there is any other Android issue or bug that is actually creating a problem for you. We would love to research Android bugs and make tutorials that would help solve your day. I think this should do some help to you. If it does, please do share this work with all your friends, buddies, nearby you. I mean everyone on WhatsApp, Facebook, everything. And also like please let us know how this has helped you. Do you want to crash your phone, stamp on it, or something like that? It really makes my day. Thank you so much. It's Amlan signing off.